One morning, 5-year-old little Fox mcCloud went down the stairs and he entered the kitchen, and he was holding his blanket and his teddy bear. And his mommy Vixie said, "Good morning, sweetheart." Well, what's wrong, Fox?" "Oh, are you not feeling good?" "Oh, honey, achoo, achoo." "Oh," she said, picking up her baby, and he rested his head on her shoulder. "Oh, sweetie, you don't look well, and your fur is so warm and hot." "Achoo, Mommy." "Yes, Fox? I don't feel good." "Oh, don't worry, Mommy will take care of you. Come on, let's go check your temperature." And then she took her little boy to the bathroom, and she sat him down on the toilet. And then she opened up the medicine cabinet and took out the thermometer. And then she said, "Okay, Fox, open up for Mommy." "Okay." And then Fox opened his mouth, and his mommy put the thermometer in. And then she sat with him while they waited for the thermometer to beep. And then she said, "Oh, darling, you have a fever." Oh, my poor baby boy. Oh. Come on, let me give you a bath. And then she took off Fox's PJs that were really sweaty, and then she turned on the taps of the water, and then she put her little boy into the water and began to give him a bath. And she said, "Don't worry, sweetie, I will take good care of you, I promise." "Mommy?" "What is it, dear?" "My throat hurts." "I know. Everything will be okay." And then his mommy was done giving him a bath, and she picked him up and took a towel and wrapped it around him. And she said, "Don't worry, sweetie. Everything's gonna be all right." And then she took him to his room with the towel still wrapped around him. And then she got him dressed. And then she laid him down in bed, and she said, "Fox." "Yes, Mommy?" "You stay right here, okay? I'm gonna go make you some soup." "Okay, Mommy." And then his mommy was making him soup when Fox got up from bed, and he walked downstairs, and his mommy said, "Fox, what are you doing up? You're supposed to be in bed. Remember, you're sick." "I know, but..." What is it?" "I can't stop coughing." "Oh, sweetie, I'll bring you some cough medicine too. Where's Daddy? He's gonna be home in 5 minutes, okay?" "Okay." "Why don't you go lay down on the couch? Okay? I'll be right there." "Okay, Mama." And then a few hours later, his mommy was done making the soup. And then she said, "Okay, Fox, here's the soup for you." No, Mama. I want some candy." "No, baby. If you eat candy, then your tummy will hurt. Here, come on, eat up." "Okay." And then James came home, and he said, "Hello, Vixie. Where's Fox?" "Oh, he's laying on the couch." "Oh, my little boy, are you okay?" "Mm-mm." "Oh, Vixie, he has a fever." "I know he does." "Don't worry, baby. Everything will be okay. Mommy and Daddy are here to protect you." And then his mommy continued to give him the soup. And then Fox fell asleep, and his daddy carried him to his bed and laid him down. And then his mommy went to check on him, and she said, "How are you doing, sweetheart?" "I don't feel good, Mama." "I know you don't, Fox. But don't worry. Mommy and Daddy are here to make sure you feel better." And then a few hours later, James went to check on his son. He said, "Son." "Yes, Daddy?" Mommy told me that you're coughing, so here's some medicine for you." "I don't want to take medicine." "But you have to, Fox, if you want to feel better." "Okay, Daddy." And then Fox took the medicine, and he said, "Yucky." "I know it's yucky, Fox, but I'm glad that you took it. How are you feeling now?" "A little better." Okay. Now lay down, alright?" "Wait, Papa." "Yeah?" "I love you." Aww. And then the next morning, Fox felt so much better. The end.